walang kukurap at walang aatras sa maliliksit malulupit na galawan sa PBA Cup 5 plays ngayon. Ikalima.
Mukhang nasa kondisyon ng mga ito. Anthony.
Oh!
Sole!
That's what happens when you allow their defense, with penetration.
Yun yung follow-up niya. Ito pagbaba. Hindi mo magkaya sa taas.
He was able to carve out space. No one was able to kitang-kita dyan in the replay.
Pangapat.
Bihit na wala. Hello sa Mark Baroka. Ubo si Mark Baroka. Susundutan kita. Bones is back. And the Bulls is just happy to be back. And his teammates showing it to us.
At ito na naman, another attack coming from the fast break.
Pangatlo.
Kicks in. Shot clock at 11. Nice.
Whoa!
Stop by Daisy Intel!
They've been very good at shooting the three. So now you force the LX. That's a big-time move right there, Sev. This guy has been working very hard on the improvement of his game.
Ikalawa.
Lalabas kayo. The Ninja down the middle. Umupupat ng kape sa ere. Bago pinabanda. As we take another look at that hang time move mula dito kay Joseph Yo. Daming dinaanan ni The Ninja. Parang nagpasabog ng smoke bomb.
At ang nanguna.
Jensen looking for Romeo. Narinig natin 4 down. They want Terrence dancing with LA. Romeo Bebuelo, three-pointer on the way. Boom!
Terrence Romeo saving the show. Once more for Global Code in the big basket.
Cold-blooded three mula dito kay Terrence Romeo. What guts kinito pinakita ni Terrence doon.
Because alam mo, siya ang titira.
Walang kupas ang galing ng ating PBA Stars. Dito sa ating PBA Cup 5 play.